Do you know where your money goes at the end of the month? Today I'll show you the 50/30/20 rule that has changed the lives of millions of people in America. Subscribe to the channel now to learn this secret. What is the 50/30/20 rule? It's a simple magic formula. Divide your income into 3 parts and watch your financial life completely change. But what are these 3 parts? The first part is 50%. 50% of your total income will go to your needs or essential expenses. But what does needs mean? Rent, groceries, utility bills, insurance, car payments, these are essential expenses. The average rent for a family in America is $1,500 to $2,000. Groceries are $400 to $600. Utilities are $200. So how much income should you have to cover all of this? The calculation is simple. If your needs are $2,500, then your total income should be at least $5,000. Because 50% of $5,000 is $2,500. Does your calculation match? Now let's get to the second part, 30%. This 30% is for your wants or desires. Dining out, Netflix subscription, shopping, vacations, hobbies, these are fun expenses. Exciting, right? Americans spend an average of $300 a month on restaurants, $50 on streaming services, $200 on entertainment. But the 50/30/20 rule says to limit these to 30%. The third and most important part, 20%. This 20% will go towards savings and debt repayment. This is your future security. This is what will give you financial freedom. What does 20% mean? If your income is $5,000, save $1,000. Emergency fund, retirement account, student loan payments, credit card debt, use it. Did you know that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Following the 50/30/20 rule will help you break out of this statistic. But how do you get started? Step 1. Calculate your total monthly income. Salary, side hustle, passive income, add it all together. Take the after-tax amount, not the before-tax amount. Step 2. Track all your expenses. View bank statements, check credit card bills. Know where every dollar is going. Transparency is the key. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Which ones are needs? Which ones are wants? Which ones are savings? This clear division will open your eyes. You will be surprised. Let's look at a real-life example. John and Sarah earn $6,000 per month. Their needs are $3,000, wants are $1,800, savings are $1,200. Perfect 50/30/20 split. But what if your calculations don't match? Don't panic. The 50/30/20 rule is not a hard rule, it's a guideline. Adjust it according to your situation. If your needs are 60%, then reduce your wants to 20%, or your savings to 15%. Keep flexibility initially, then slowly target the perfect ratio. Live in New York City, rent too high. Then follow the 60/20/20 rule. In Los Angeles, try 55/25/20. Customize it to suit your city and lifestyle. Now let's talk about needs in detail. Housing is the biggest expense. Experts in America say to keep housing expenses below 30% of income. What percentage is your rent? Transportation is the second biggest need. Car payments, insurance, gas, maintenance, average $700 to $1,000 per month. You can save by using public transportation. Grocery budgeting tips. Plan your meals every week. Buy in bulk. Choose generic brands. Use coupons. This is how you can save $100 to $200 per month. Health insurance is non-negotiable. Medical emergencies in America can bankrupt you. Get employer-sponsored insurance or choose the best plan from the marketplace. Now let's get to the wants category. This is the fun part. But this is where most people overspend. Use your 30% budget smartly, not impulsively. Dining out versus cooking home. $50 for one meal at a restaurant, $10 for cooking at home. Skipping restaurants twice a week saves $320 a month. Crazy, right? Audit your streaming services. Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, HBO, Spotify, all under $100 a month. Which ones do you really use? Cancel the rest. Control your shopping addiction. Follow the 24-hour rule. Wait 24 hours before buying anything. Impulse buying will decrease by 70%. Your wallet will thank you. Savings and debt repayment. The 20% rule. It's your future. Emergency fund first. Experts say save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Attack high-interest debt first. Credit card debt charges 18 to 24% interest. Pay off credit card debt before student loans. Use the snowball method. Start retirement savings today. Contribute to a 401k. Employer matching is free money. Open a Roth IRA. Start in your 20s and 30s and you can become a millionaire. The magic of compound interest. If you invest $500 a month at age 25 at a 7% return, you will have $1.2 million by age 65. Starting early is the secret. Finding it hard to follow the 50/30/20 rule? Tips for beginners. Just track in the first month. Categorize in the second month. Adjust from the third month. What is patience? Use budgeting apps. Mint, Inab, Personal Capital. These apps automatically track your expenses. Get rid of manual calculations. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account as soon as you get your paycheck. Out of sight, out of mind. Temptation removed. Create separate bank accounts. One for needs, one for wants, one for savings. Physical separation gives mental clarity. Common mistake number 1. Thinking of wants as needs. Don't need the new iPhone, want it. Don't need designer shoes, want it. Be honest with yourself. Stick to the 50% needs limit. Common mistake number 2. Skipping savings. Many people say, enjoy life first, save later. But time waits for no one. Start today, even with $50. Common mistake number 3. Credit card overuse. Credit cards are not free money, they are debt. Pay the full balance every month. Interest charges will destroy your budget. Ways to boost income. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, Uber driving, online tutoring, Etsy shop, options unlimited. Extra $500 game changer. Invest in skill development. Take online courses. Get certified. Negotiate a higher salary. Get a promotion. Double your income in the long term. Review your budget annually. Life changes, so does your budget. Marriage, baby, job change, relocation, recalculate 50/30/20 after every event. Family budget versus single budget. Singles can spend more on wants. Family needs are greater. Childcare, education, larger house. Adjust accordingly. Tax strategy. 401k and IRA contributions tax deductible. HSA account triple tax advantaged. Save smartly, get tax benefits. Impact of inflation. Expenses increase by 3 to 5% every year. You also need to adjust your budget. Negotiate salary increases. Increase side income. Don't be stagnant. Set financial goals. $5,000 emergency fund in 6 months. Credit card debt free in 1 year. House down payment in 5 years. Specific goals motivate. Success story. Maria became $25,000 debt-free in 2 years by following the 50/30/20 rule. James saved $40,000 in 3 years and bought a house. You can too. Face the challenge. Unexpected expenses will come. Car repairs, medical bills, job loss. But don't panic if you have an emergency fund. Build resilience. Discuss the budget with your partner or spouse. Financial transparency strengthens relationships. Set goals together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Teach children budgeting. Let them practice the 50/30/20 rule with pocket money. Early financial education lifelong skill. Make the next generation smart. Use resources. Get free financial counseling from community centers. Read books at the library. Listen to YouTube, podcasts. Knowledge is power, and it's free. Remember, the 50/30/20 rule is a tool, not a prison. Be flexible. Enjoy life. But be financially responsible. Balance is the key to happiness. Implement the 50/30/20 rule today. Let your financial freedom journey begin. Subscribe to this channel for more money tips. Share your budgeting challenges in the comments. Thank you.